Come with me to order a keto-friendly breakfast at McDonald's. It's one of my favorite spots to go because there are a lot of options.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Are you going to be eating a breakfast?
No, not today.
What can I get for you?
Can I get one sausage McMuffin with no bread on it?
Sausage muffin, no muffin?
Yes.
Anything else for you?
And then one sausage egg and cheese with no muffin?
So sausage, egg muffin, no muffin?
Yes.
Anything else for you?
That's it.
So we got a sausage muffin and a sausage, egg muffin, both no muffin?
Yes.
Alright, so that is going to be $5.43. Would you like to round up for the bottom McDonald's today?
No, thank you.
First one on.
Thanks. Thank you. Not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed that the cheese was not on top of the sausage or egg, but at least all the ingredients are there. All you gotta do is stack it all together with the sausage on the outside and you have yourself a perfect, delicious keto breakfast. Next time you visit those Golden Arches, give it a try or let us know what you like to order.